Good morning, all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy at your home. Today, I am very glad that I have got the chance to meet with you people on this online session. First of all, I would like to welcome you all in this session organized by Sarhad School. I am very thankful to our school that they have provided me the chance to interact with you in this session. Before starting the session only, I would like to introduce myself with you people. I am Mrs. Nikki Shweta. My qualification is MSc in Biotechnology and I have completed my B.Ed also. I have total 9 years of teaching experience, and there is a philosophy of my life which I believe purely. It is you are enough, just you are. Just to elaborate this sentence, and what do you mean by that sentence is anyone in the world, anyone, a small child also or an old man, they are just enough for themselves and for the society also. We should keep our purity in our heart that we should be beneficial to the society in some or other way. If we are keeping our purity in our heart, it is very easy for everyone to achieve whatever they want in their life. So this is just the philosophy which I believe, and you should also believe in any such kind of philosophies which is defining your life in the future. Here I am showing you a quotation which is somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known. That means there are many things in the world which is there for us which should be fetched out by our knowledge. And why I am showing you this sentence? Because this sentence is purely defining the subject which I am teaching you people. Yeah, the subject is nothing else, it is the subject science. So, the word science you are very much familiar with. From the class nursery till the class 10th, you are having this word in your mind that it is science. But by going through the definition, the word science, it is originated from a Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Knowledge means science is not only the bookish knowledge, it is something which can be done. Demonstration, experimentation, there are many things like creating theories, like doing some experiments on your own, creating something new. These all things are nothing else but it is science. Broadly, modern science is divided into 3 parts, which is physics, chemistry and biology. Physics, which is related with the physical world. That means the light, electricity, magnetism. These all phenomena are nothing else. It is the physics. Chemistry. Chemistry, it is the science of the chemicals. Anything which is related with the chemicals is under the category of chemistry only. Biology. Around us, the living world is there, and this is the science of biology. So science is the thing which is giving you the platform to do the things, to create something new, to explore yourself and create a new world around yourself. Now here I have listed some of the things why study of science is important in your life. So the points are: science teaches us understanding of natural phenomena. See, around us there are many natural phenomena which is affecting our life. Natural phenomena means anything like the simple thing like blowing of wind, the water currents. These all are nothing else but they all are from the science only. Science teaches us about the world around. You can see many living, non-living things around yourself, the world which is around you. And to know about what they consist of, you have to study about the science. Third point is, it stimulates our natural curiosity. Curiosity means human brain is very curious in nature. That means human brain want to learn every time new things. It is starving of learning new things. If you provide it with the new things, it can create more and more new things around yourself. So it stimulates our natural curiosity. आपको जो भी जानने की इच्छा होती है, आप जो भी जानते हो, वो आपके ब्रेन से रिलेटेड होता है. आपके ब्रेन को हर वक्त कुछ नया जानने की इच्छा होती है. तो अगर आप उसे कुछ नया देते रहेंगे तो वो कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा क्रिएट करता रहेगा. That means it stimulates our natural curiosity. It teaches method of inquiry and investigation. Method of inquiry and investigation means we, the people of science, not believe on any theory कि हाँ ये है तो ये ऐसा है. We have a question behind it. अगर ये ऐसा है तो उसके पीछे क्या कारण है. So we are always having the investigating nature. कि आपको खोजना है कि ये क्या चल रहा है और ये जो हो रहा है उसके पीछे क्या है. You want to know more and more. It stimulates creative thoughts also. Thought means human brain is having the capacity to think many things at a time. We are having a broad criteria of thinking. So if we study science, it stimulates our creative thoughts also. We can create, our brain can be creative, we can create new things, new discoveries, new inventions, and science can spark our mind also. What do you mean by sparking of mind? That if we are not giving the food to the brain, what is the food of the brain? New things are the food to the brain. So if you are not giving the food to the brain, your brain feels lazy. आपको बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. You feel depressed, you feel lazy. But if you provide your brain new things, first of all, how could we provide new things to the brain? By studying more and more books, by seeing some of the videos, scientific videos, by fetching knowledge through many platforms which is available to us. So if we provide more and more things to the brain, our brain become more and more active. So here, these are the importance of studying science. Science will give you a broad criteria of thinking, it will create a society which is having lot many discoveries and inventions which is beneficial for the mankind. Now our next topic is how to study science. See, why I am showing you this, because till the time we used to the system of study that we are coming to the school and teachers are teaching in the class. So this is the usual way which we are following from our nursery class till the time whatever class we have right now. But in the current scenario of this COVID-19, we are not able to attend the school, but study, which is the process of continuation, could not be stopped. And we are also trying you to provide with all the guidelines which is required for your online studies. See, as the human being, I also know that it is somehow different and difficult for you people to adjust with the new situation which is arises right now. But adjustment is the process of continuation. If we stop adjusting, it is impossible that we survive in the world. According to the Darwin's theory of evolution, the fittest can survive. That means जो भी इस सोसाइटी में रहने के लिए फिट होगा वो सरवाइव करेगा. और अभी हमारी जो करंट सिचुएशन है उसके अकॉर्डिंग इस नए सिस्टम से हमें एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. ये एक लाइफ है जो कि कभी रुकती नहीं है. सो लाइफ नेवर स्टॉप्स. सो वी शुड गो अहेड with this new system till the time everything is well. So, how to study science? See, how to study science means you can follow these rules for other subjects also. It is beneficial for you people. So, the first point is read the lesson from the textbook thoroughly. See, reading means it not just कि you read the lesson. It is while reading you should keep in the mind that you should take something while reading. It is not just कि we are reading the lesson. So reading with the thinking capacity, with the grasping, is very much beneficial for you people. So you read the lesson from the textbook. See, nowadays many reference books are also available. But the first time reading means if you are starting with the new lesson, it is that you read the lesson from the textbook first, and then if you want to refer other books also, then you can refer. But first time reading of the lesson is from the textbook. It is according to my guideline. While reading, there are many important points which is going through you. So you mark all the important point during the reading process. While marking, you can use the highlighter, you use the pencil also, you can use anything. But during the reading process, like definitions, examples, there are some of the question type of thing also. So you mark these all things. See, in the NCERT textbook of science, there are many activities are given in the box. So you read that activities also, what these activities want to explain you. So sometime it may be observed that there are some of the definitions or there are some of the questions which is present in that activity part or in that box. So you read that box. Or the next point is make notes of the lesson of your own. See, today we are living in the world of technology. So it is very easy for a child also to fetch out the information from the internet. So your question must be that notes are available online. Shall we use that notes? So this is a very big no from my side. You can use that notes, but the notes which you prepare on your own, it would be beneficial for you people. Because whenever you prepare the notes of the lesson of your own, you are going through the lesson again and again. And while going through the lesson, it is very important that कि आप वहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें पढ़ते हो, बार बार पढ़ते हो और ये चीज़ें आपके ब्रेन में कहीं ना कहीं पे फिक्स हो जाते हैं. So my recommendation is that you make the notes of the lesson of your own so that the lesson is fixed in your mind. So whenever you want, you can fetch out the information from your brain, because the information which you have studied till now, it is recorded in the brain. Next point is try to search the questions and their answers which is in between the text. In the NCERT textbook, there are in-text questions and the exercises there. But there are many questions which is hidden in between the text. And in the exam, teacher may ask you with these questions also. So it is very important for you people that you can search these questions. You can make as many questions as you can, and you have to find out the answers of these questions also. This is again very important to record the lesson in your brain. Very next point is take the help of flowchart and mind map for better understanding. See, in science, there are many processes which is interrelated to each other. So there, in that process, the help of flowchart and mind map will be very beneficial for you people. As for example, I am giving you the example of the flowchart of the alimentary canal of the human being. So there are many organs, and sometimes it is seen that it is very difficult for you people to remember these names. So if you are having the flowchart prepared with you, it is very easy for you that you remind these names in your brain. Mind map will provide you the idea of the whole lesson. If a lesson, as for example, chemical reactions and equation, if you prepare a mind map, then you will get the idea of the full lesson in a single mind map. See, again here there are many flowcharts and mind map which is available online, but if you prepare it on your own, it is again very beneficial. Because see, nowadays it is a condition which is very much different from the previous one. You are not going to meet your teacher again and again personally. we are having only the platform of online teaching, and this is the very new form which is used by we people right now. See, in foreign countries, they are used to with this system of online sessions, online teaching. But in India, it is the new system. But again, I am telling you, this is the life which is going on, and we should accept this with the positivity. हमें इस नए सिस्टम में लूप होल को ना खोजते हुए कि ये ऐसा है, वो ऐसा क्यों है, अगर हमने पूरे मन से और दिमाग से और दिल से इसको अपना बनाया, तो एक दिन देखिए आप, ये सिस्टम आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा आसान हो जाएगा. आपको ये इसमें भी लगेगा कि आप पर्सनली अपने टीचर से मिल पा रहे हो और उनसे बातें कर पा रहे हो. सो द प्राइमरी रिक्वायरमेंट इज दैट वी शुड एक्सेप्ट विद द सिस्टम. हमें इस सिस्टम को अपना बनाना है, जिससे कि हमें सारी चीज़ें समझने में बहुत ही आसानी हो. अगेन मैं यहाँ पे बोलूँगी कि आपके पेरेंट्स आपके साथ हैं, वो आपको गाइडलाइंस देने के लिए हैं. आपको काम करना है अपने ऊपर कि आप कैसे काम करो कि आप इस सिस्टम से ज़्यादा बेनिफिट उठा पाओ. आप अगर इस सिस्टम को अपना मानोगे तो ये आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगा. नाउ आई एम शोइंग यू विद दिस फुल स्लाइड. You can take the screenshot of this slide. So whenever you want to see how to study science at your home, you can going through that system. So you can take the screenshot of this right now, how to study science at your home. Now my next topic is the paper pattern and how we are dividing the marks of internal assessment. Paper pattern, this is the paper pattern for 9th standard, 10th standard, and for the board paper also this is the paper pattern. Here I have made a table where I have shown you the marks, the number of questions and the total marks. See, in the board exams or in 9th standard we have 80 marks paper of written exam, and there are 20 marks which is for the internal assessment. So in the question paper there are questions which is of 1 mark, 20. So 1 marks question, number of questions are 20 and total marks is 20. The next question is of 3 marks. 3 marks questions, there are 10 3 marks questions in your question paper and the total marks is 30. The next question type is 5 marks questions. The number of questions of 5 marks are 6. Again it is 30. So here the sum total of that is 80 marks. This 80 marks is for your written exam. Again for you people, 1 mark question. There are 20 questions of 1 mark. See, these 1 mark questions are of various type. It is not कि हाँ एक ही तरह के ये सारे 1 mark के question रहेंगे. These are of various type of questions. It is having MCQ questions, means multiple choice questions. 4 options are given to you people and you should choose any one option from that 4. And there are 1 line answers also in 1 marks questions. It is paragraph based questions are also. This year only CBSE board has provided the paragraph type of question. See, before that this paragraph type of question is present in the English passages, but these passages are now the part of the science question paper also. So paragraph type of question, MCQ type of question, and the 1 mark questions are of 1 mark. So total these type of questions are 20 in number. Now the next question type is 3 marks question. These questions are 10 in number. 3 marks questions are a little descriptive one. It may be analytical type of questions, may be definitions, difference between, draw the diagram. Again, question type can vary from question to question. Instead of only one question can be subdivided into. That means if I would like to give you the example, in a single question they may ask you about the definition, some examples also, and difference between also. So 3 marks questions are something where you should not write more and more. You should not fill the pages. You should write to the point answer. To the point answer, and you will get the full marks here. The next question type is of 5 marks questions. 5 marks questions, they are 6 in number, and it is of 30 marks from your paper. So this 5 marks questions are little descriptive one. As for example, explanation, drawing the diagram. As for example, I'll give you one of the example. Draw the diagram of the any system like male reproductive system, digestive system, anything like this, and the description is also associated here. So 5 marks questions can be a descriptive one also, and it can be subdivided into many small questions also. See, in the CBSE board's paper, 5 marks questions are also not much descriptive in nature. If you are writing to the point answers, it is just enough to get you the 5 marks. So this is the description of your written paper. The marks which is left behind with us is the 20 internal marks, which is provided from the school. You can take the screenshot of this screen also, so it will give you the idea of division of marks in the question paper. Now the marks of internal assessment. Internal assessment is total of 20 marks. There are 4 areas in which this 20 marks is divided. These 4 areas are subject enrichment activity, multiple assessment, portfolio, and best of 2 exam. All these 4 areas are of 5 marks each. So, subject enrichment activity. In science, for subject enrichment activity, we are taking practical exams and the maintenance of record of the science journal. I'll show you the next slide. See, you can see that for subject enrichment activity in science, it is the practical examination and maintenance of the science journal. For multiple assessment, we are having the 2 criteria. It is of self-assessment and the peer assessment also. Self-assessment means here we are assessing your personal thing based on any of the project. It can be a presentation, role play activity, presentation of the lesson, PowerPoint presentation. It can be anything. The next part is portfolio. Portfolio consists of your notebook which is maintained by you throughout the year, which is having the classwork, homework, test, flowcharts, diagrams, all are present in the notebook. And we are having one portfolio file also, which is having various kind of thing, which is guided by the CBSE board. Last but not the least criteria is best of 2 examinations. See, whatever number of the exams we are conducting throughout the year, we have to take the best of 2 marks from that examination, and we are using that marks for your internal assessment. So again I am taking you to the previous slide and you can take the screenshot of that slide. See, you can take the screenshot of that slide which is showing you the paper pattern. See that paper pattern, you can take the screenshot of that, and the areas of the internal assessment also. See, nowadays everyone is talking about corona, that COVID positive. Whenever you are watching the news also, or either going to the internet, everyone is talking about that corona and corona thing again and again. See, talking about something is always is not beneficial for you. It is somehow creating a negativity in the society. And as a human being, it is very easier for you to take this in the negative manner. But in the present situation, it is for us that we take everything in the positive manner. If we take everything in the positive manner, it is beneficial for you and for the people who all are present around yourself. Here I have mentioned you with the tips to stay positive in the present situation. See, it might be that you feel low during this lockdown situation. You can't go out, you can't meet with your friends and your family members, or you are not going to the malls to do shopping, or you are not eating the food from the restaurant, you are away from the junk food. So if we are going to fetch the positivity from that, it is very positive situation for all of us, that we can find the inner self of ours. आपके अंदर जो कुछ भी छुपा हुआ है उसको पाने का ये सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा मौका है, क्योंकि एक बार ये सारी चीज़ें जब खत्म हो जाएंगी और आप वापस से अपनी पुरानी लाइफ को जीने लगोगे, तब आपके पास इतना समय नहीं रहेगा कि आप इन चीज़ों को वापस खोज सको. सो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट टाइम टू फाइंड योर सेल्फ. जो आप स्टूडेंट्स हो अभी, आप अपने बारे में अपने सारे स्ट्रेंथ को पहचान सकते हो. यू कैन फाइंड आउट योर स्ट्रेंथ, यू कैन work on that strength, and you can create very new world around yourself for you and your family. See, अगर आप कुछ अच्छा करोगे तो आपके टीचर की तरह मुझे भी आपके ऊपर बहुत गर्व होगा, आपके घर वालों को भी आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, और आपकी स्कूल, आपका समाज, आपकी सोसाइटी आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा फील करेगी. सो दिस इज़ द टाइम when you build your confidence, when you work on yourself, and you will do lots of things which you are not doing because of the lack of time. So the first tip is create a schedule for daily task. See, we are starting from your sessions, so we have allotted with you the time. You have to follow that timetable, and it is creating a positive environment around yourself. So create a schedule for daily task. ऐसा नहीं कि अभी छुट्टी है तो मैं देर तक सोऊंगा, देर से सो के जगूंगा. एक बार आपने आदत डाल ली तो ये आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा. You can read books. Now in the technical field, reading of books are somehow avoided by yourself. सब लोग फ़ोन पे ही सब कुछ देख लेते हैं, फ़ोन पे ही सब कुछ पढ़ लेते हैं. लेकिन अगर आपने बुक्स पढ़ी, बुक्स आर द बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स ऑफ योर्स. आप बहुत सारी टेक्स्ट बुक रेफरेंस बुक्स पढ़ सकते हो, महान लोगों की जीवन की गाथा को पढ़ सकते हो. सो रीडिंग बुक्स इज वन ऑफ द वे टू कीप यू पॉजिटिव. यू कैन लर्न एनी लाइफ स्किल लाइक कुकिंग और एनी हाउस होल्ड वर्क. कुकिंग ही, आप ऐसा मत बोलो कि सिर्फ कुकिंग ही क्यों. खाना आपके लिए एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है. कल को आप नौकरी के लिए कहीं गए या आप आगे की पढ़ाई के लिए कभी हॉस्टल गए, इफ़ यू नो द कुकिंग इट इज़ वेरी ईजी फॉर यू टू सर्वाइव. आप हमेशा बाहर से खाना खरीद के नहीं खा सकते हो. और यू कैन हेल्प इन एनी हाउस होल्ड वर्क ऑफ योर मदर और योर पेरेंट. यू कैन क्लीन योर हाउस, you can dust, you can do the work of dusting also. You can do lots of work which is at your home. आप कपड़े धोने में मम्मी की हेल्प कर सकते हो. सो कोई भी ऐसा काम जो आपको करना अच्छा लगे और जो आप सीखना चाहते हो वो करो. प्रैक्टिस फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज डेली. सी, वी आर एट होम, so automatically our physical work is less. हम काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें लेट के करते हैं, टीवी देख रहे हो, फ़ोन देख रहे हो. उसकी जगह अगर आप कुछ एक्सरसाइज करते करते इन चीज़ों को करो तो वो आपके लिए अच्छा है. कोई भी फॉर्म ऑफ एक्सरसाइज, you can practice yoga, you can practice zumba, you can do dancing also if you like dancing. Dancing is also a type of exercise only. You can play indoor games with your family members like Ludo, chess, carom board. Ludo not on the phone, okay? It should be the hard copy of the Ludo. Learn any new art form. You can learn any art form, as for example origami, any painting form like Madhubani painting, or anything else like painting on the cloth, Indian painting form. So if you are having the interest in that art, you can learn any new art form. And last but not the least, be happy and feel relaxed. See, being happy is one of the thing which is from yourself only. आप अगर रिलैक्स फील कर रहे हो तो सब कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है. You can take the screenshot of this also, and I believe that you may follow my guidelines to stay positive. आप अगर रिलैक्स्ड हो, हैप्पी हो, तो आप अपने आसपास एक पॉजिटिव एटमॉस्फेयर क्रिएट कर सकते हैं जो सबके लिए ही बहुत ही अच्छा होगा. आपके घर वाले भी बहुत ज़्यादा खुश रहेंगे, आपके छोटे भाई बहन, आपके एल्डर्स ऑल्सो. अगर दादा दादी हैं घर पे, उनके साथ समय गुजारिए. इट इज़ वेरी क्रूशियल टाइम फॉर ऑल द पीपल अराउंड यू. सो वी ऑल शुड वर्क टुगेदर and we all should go together. We all will do something better to achieve positivity in the life. See, here I have mentioned a quote. You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go, and see what happened. For a human being, it is not possible to control all the things. अगर आप कितना भी चाहो, इस कोरोना सिचुएशन को आप हैंडल नहीं कर सकते हो. हम अपनी तरफ से जो कर सकते हैं वो है सेफ्टी मेजर्स, जो कि हम में से सभी लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं. सेफ्टी मेजर्स लाइक हाइजीन, वियरिंग ऑफ मास्क, social distancing and all that. So in the current situation we can only do that thing. Always planning will not work. Sometimes just take a deep breath, trust on yourself, let go and see what happen. कई बार कई चीज़ों को अगर हम छोड़ देते हैं, उनके बारे में अगर ज़्यादा आप ना सोचो, तो ये भी कभी कभी आपके लिए काम करता है. जैसे as for example, I'll give you one example. Sometimes some of the electrical appliances are not working properly. At that time, what we are doing, we are just shutting it down. Like कि आपका डेस्कटॉप है, लैपटॉप है, कई बार वो हैंग हो जाता है या फ़ोन, आप उसको सिंपली स्विच ऑफ कर देते हो और जब उसको रीस्टार्ट करते हो तो वो बिल्कुल से अच्छा काम करने लगता है. सो अभी जो करंट सिचुएशन चल रही है, वॉट एवर द करंट सिचुएशन इज गोइंग ऑन, दिस इज जस्ट लाइक द शटिंग डाउन. Once we restart, everything will be fine around ourselves. Everything is fine, everything is like previous one or maybe better also. जैसे better कैसे आप देख रहे होंगे, if you have noticed that pollution level is very less nowadays due to the less number of vehicles on the road. There are lots of greenery around yourself. So these are the positive changes which arises due to the negative situation around ourselves. एक negativity में से एक positivity आपको मिली है. So ये quotation आपको आपकी लाइफ में आगे बहुत काम के आएगा. जब आप ये देखोगे कि सब कुछ हमारी प्लानिंग के हिसाब से नहीं हो रहा है और सब कुछ हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हैं, तब कई बार हमें चीज़ों को जैसा है वैसे रहने देना चाहिए और एक अपने मन में विश्वास के साथ हमें नई शुरुआत करनी चाहिए. Now I would like to thank you all for listening me, for giving me your valuable time. मैंने इस वीडियो में जो भी बोला है, अगर आप उसको फॉलो करेंगे तो it would be beneficial for you people. I hope you all work on yourself. You believe in the positivity which is around you. You create positivity around you. You be together to create the positivity around yourself, create a positive environment, be immune, work on building the immunity. Immunity is the system which is present in everyone. It is the inbuilt system. Only the requirement is that to boost up that. So you work on that and it is very good for you people. And exercise daily, keep your mind positive, always create or discover new things. My best wishes are always with you. If you need any kind of help from my side, you can give me in the feedback session. I'll go through that and I will I will connect with you people again with that online platform. Thank you all.